Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I would like to highlight a little feature that is enabled on the channel. And if you like the content, if you've been following me for a long time, want to help out in a little something, it's always appreciated. And I'm here all the time, every day, making videos of all sorts to help you out. If something's wrong, we do videos talking about it, trying to help you out and getting out of these problems. And of course, answering questions. And this is something I love to do. And so if you want to participate, I just wanted to mention that in every video that you watch, there's a little, next to the share icon, there's a little place here that you can click, which is a super thanks. And this is a feature of YouTube. And of course, you can click that and participate in, giving me a little something. Anything helps. You don't have to give a lot of money. If you do, if at some point something helped you out, maybe I did a video and it prevented you from having your tech guy come over, that is always expensive. How about giving me a few dollars, or whatever amount you feel right? And that is really something that will be much appreciated. So on every video, this has been added. I've never talked about it here, but it's been added. I turned it on like maybe 3 or 4 months ago, and there have been a few people that have actually done a super thank. And if you wish to participate and help me out and help me continue this, don't hesitate. And thank you for everybody that will have done a little something to help me out, thanks to this new feature on YouTube. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.